You should see me in a crowd. I'm gonna win this nothing child. Watch me make them bow one by one by one by.
Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a recreation of this Halloween makeup look right here. I think this picture dropped last year or the year before, but girl, when I saw this, I knew it was fire and I just cannot do it. Like last year, I was like, there's no way. But this year, I'm not playing and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it. So this is my take on Zendaya's Halloween makeup look. I don't even know what to call this, like a dead queen or a stitched queen. I don't know, but I pretty much just wanted to recreate that makeup look because it's pretty freaking bomb. And I saw Tina Halada do it and I was like, you know what? I wanna try it. So this is my take on it. If you guys want to see how I achieved it, how I did it, I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, I just got home from work. Your girl is tired, but we got Halloween tutorials to film, okay? So this one is a fun one. I haven't done something like this before. So let me clip my hair back. Okay, so I'm wearing a sweater because it's so cold. It's funny because my last video I was like, it's freezing. I mean, it's weird because the weather was like so hot. Now I'm like freaking cold, runny nose. But anyways, I already have my face makeup on. Nothing too special, just like my everyday makeup. I didn't want to waste like a lot of time in this video doing my face when the main thing is like the eyes and some Halloween designs, you know? So this is just my everyday face, nothing too special. If you've been watching me, you know the face. So this eye look is very like neutral but vampy. So going into the going into the James Charles palette, I'm gonna take my Morphe M441 blending brush and take this like orange shade right here. I'm pretty much going to be using every color right here. It's from like lightest to dark. You'll see. It's gonna look kind of like really orange right now, but it's gonna become vampy. It's just gonna give it that warm tone. That's enough. And then I'm gonna go into my Morphe M514 brush and then go into this shade right here. I don't have the names on me and I don't remember the names or like by heart, you know, so that's what's gonna happen. And this shade is gonna go like into the crease but also all over the lid. Honestly, like this is not really the main part of the makeup look. This is kind of just like get some vampy eye look, but obviously just blend out a whole bunch of neutral vampy colors. Okay, it's starting to look very cranberry. Okay, so now we're gonna go even darker. I'm gonna go into this shade right here and I'm actually going to pack that shade on the lid. Okay, yeah, this is gonna give us that vampy vibe. The eye look is like a very fall neutral vibe. Do you guys hear this dog barking? Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start by packing it on. And then just go in with that blending brush and blend it out. I'm so tired. This is gonna make me look even more tired. Oh my god. So again, I'm pretty much just blending out all the shadows that I applied. The light orange to the cranberry shade to like the berry shade. And this is the eye look. Very simple, but looks very vampy. So now I'm gonna pretty much just take these two shades right here and use those to smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm using a Sigma small angled brush, which is an E65. I pretty much just focus it close to the waterline and then go in with the pencil brush to smoke it out. And now to highlight the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade right here. I believe this one is Face. And I'm using a Morphe M515 brush to apply it. Ooh, that glow. And this inner corner you want to pop. Alright, so now that the boring part is over, I'm just kidding, it's not boring. But I just wanted to get this eye look done so we can move on to the face because that's what I'm most excited for. So let me zoom you guys out a little. I'm first gonna start off with the eyebrow. So there's kind of like 4 or 3 lines in this picture. 3, yeah, there's 3 lines. So I'm gonna take this NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner and pretty much just draw those lines. I might get quiet because I get very concentrated, but you guys will see, okay? Okay, so that's supposed to be like a stitch. I don't know how I feel. We'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw a line down the forehead, right in the center, but not all the way, like right before my eyebrow. I'm gonna pretty much draw the lines first and let them dry because then I have to go in and shade them. So I don't want to start shading and then start smearing, you know? So I think that's good for now. And now I have to draw the one across the face. Okay, so I just messed up, but we'll clean that up after, okay? Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I fixed it with some concealer. I'm gonna take this necklace off because I don't want to get in the way. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Milk pencil, and it's kind of like outlined with white. Yeah, over here. And the other side is kind of like a dark brown. So I'm gonna take the dark brown eyeshadow and kind of just like dust it. So then same thing for this whole entire thing. I'm gonna outline it with white. Okay, this is a lot harder than it looks. I'm probably going to go over with some more black because I just covered up the black line. Okay, now I'm gonna go back over with some more black because I clearly covered it up. Okay, so now that that's outlined, I'm gonna go in to the James Charles palette and pretty much just take this brown shade right here. And just like I did a shadow up here, I'm gonna do it to this whole entire thing. Honestly, down here, I can't really see the angle well, so it's probably messy, but who cares? Halloween isn't supposed to be perfect, okay? Well, at least not in my opinion. All right, so I think that was it for that. And now I'm gonna start drawing like the lines of the stitches. So this is gonna be tedious, but let's start doing this. It's coming together. Honestly, once you add the brown part, it gives it that shadow and it looks more like dang, but I'm excited. Honestly, those kind of came out longer than I expected, but whatever, it's fine. So I think I'm gonna start using this liquid eyeliner by BH Cosmetics. It has a felt tip, so it might be easier for me to draw. If you see me switching back and forth, it's just what works for me. So again, let's just fast forward through this part. Maybe I'll add one right here. I'll just add like little ones all over. Try. Oh my god, it's coming together. Oh my god. All right, so now I have to add the part where it's like blood dripping down. So I'm gonna go into this paint palette, which I got from Amazon. I'm gonna take the red shade. There's like blood dripping from right here. Big like bulk here. Oh my god, I'm not good at the blood. Oh my god. Oh no. And then right here. How do I make it look real? It's like messy, right? Messy. Just gotta think messy. Okay, I'm not even gonna touch it. Just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so now she has like lightning bolts coming out the side in white. So I'm gonna try to do this. Again, I'm gonna go into this palette right here and just take the white. It honestly came together. I mean, it doesn't look as good as Zendaya, obviously, but from afar, I think I did the job. Okay, so I'm gonna finish it by doing a nude glossy lip, because in the picture she has like a very, oh my god, I ate a salad before filming this video and I had lettuce in my teeth. You guys, oh my god, that's so embarrassing. It's whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips using my Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. And then on top, I'm gonna apply my Gloss Bomb. I think I wanna put a wig on. Alright guys, so this concludes the Zendaya recreation Halloween makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and try on some wigs, but I'm filming this outro now just in case I mess up the makeup because wigs, you know, is a whole process. So obviously if I do put a wig on and I like it, you'll probably see in the thumbnail, or I'll add some pictures. But if you don't see pictures, then it didn't work out. But yeah, I am very happy on the way this turned out. It is different than what I usually would do for Halloween. I saw this picture, I think it came out last year or the year before, I'm not too sure, but it was fire and I doubted myself and I thought I couldn't do it. I mean, is it the best? Does it look like hers? No, but I'm happy on the way this turned out. So yes, this is my take and recreation on the Zendaya. I don't even know what this is. She was kind of like a dead queen. I don't even know, but it looks pretty cool. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment down below what you do like in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.